All right.
We'll talk about that later. So now we do the evaluation for math, mathematica, and science. We start from the homework of science first. So we
Okay.
can start from the first question.
Okay. A tire car stop moving, it used battery. What is most likely to problem? B. The battery are weak.
Okay.
Why should we not touch electrical items with wet hands? B. It can be dangerous. Sarah turned off the fan before leaving the room. Why is why is this a good habit? This is B. It saves electricity.
Next.
Which object is most useful during a power cut at night? It is C. Torch. Why should we use electricity wisely at home? This is the C. To save energy and stay safe. Ali wants to watch TV, but the TV doesn't turn on. Which is the best things to check first? C. The power plug.
Next.
The classroom fan is not working. What should students do first? C. Tell the teachers. Number 8. Which choice help protect the earth? This is B. Turning off unused appliances. A circuit pace is the way electricity B flows. What happens if the circuit path is broken? C. The bulb doesn't light. What does electricity produce in electricity kettle? What does electricity produce in electricity produce in electricity kettle? Electricity produce heat in an electric kettle. Why do electric trains need electricity? Electric trains need electricity to move. What is the correct route to stay safe from electricity? The correct route to stay safe from electricity uh, is not to use the electrical things with wet hands.
Okay.
Number 4.
Okay. The question is.
What is plug? A plug is a small object to connect the electrical appliances to the source of electricity.
Okay.
What
Next.
is switch? A switch is an object to turn off the power supply on or off.
Okay. Next, we move to mathematica.
Jika sebuah apel dibagi menjadi 4 bagian sama besar, maka satu bagian ditulis C, seperempat. Pecahan 1/4 ditulis C, seperempat. Pecahan yang menunjukkan 2 bagian, ini salah. Dari 4 bagian adalah B, 2/4.
Okay.
Jika sebuah roti dibagi 4 bagian, dimakan 2 bagian, pecahannya adalah B, 2/4. Pecahan yang artinya satu bagian dari 3 bagian adalah A, sepertiga. Perhatikan gambar yang berwarna berikut. Bagian berwarna pada gambar di samping adalah B, seperempat. Sinta membeli 1 toples keripik. Sinta membagi kepada 4 temannya. Sama banyak. Masing-masing teman Sinta mendapat keripik B, seperempat.
Okay.
Jika roti dibagi menjadi 2 bagian dan dimakan 1 bagian, maka pecahannya adalah A, setengah.
Okay.
Pecahan yang menunjukkan satu utuh adalah C, 4/4. Jika sebuah semangka dibagi menjadi 4 bagian dan dimakan 2 bagian, maka pecahannya adalah menjadi 4 bagian dimakan 2 bagian, pecahannya adalah B, 2/4. Jefferson memiliki 10 kelereng, sebanyak 5 kelereng diberikan kepada sepupunya. Berapakah nilai pecahan kelereng yang didapat sepupu Jefferson? Pecahan kelereng yang didapat sepupu Jefferson adalah setengah.
Okay.
Ellen membagi kue menjadi 4 bagian. 3 bagian kue diberikan kepada Gracia. Berapakah nilai pecahan kue yang tidak diberikan kepada Gracia? Nilai bagian tidak diberikan kepada Gracia yaitu 1/4.
Next.
Ibu mempunyai 1 buah apel. Ibu memberikan setengah apel itu untuk adik. Berapa nilai pecahan apel yang tidak diberikan kepada adik? Nilai pecahan yang tidak diberikan kepada adik adalah setengah. Pak Andi memelihara 20 ayam, 1/4 dari ayam Pak Andi berwarna hitam. Berapa banyak ayam berwarna hitam? 1/4 dari 20 yaitu 5.
Itu bagaimana cara menjelaskannya ke siswa?
Caranya adalah 1/4 dari 20, berarti di sini adalah siswa harus mengetahui pembagian. 20 dibagi 4. 20 dibagi 4 adalah 5.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Next, we move to math. Start from the first question.
In the pictogram, one picture usually means a number or amount. If you want to compare boys and girls who like apples, which diagram is best? That is C, Venn diagram. Which diagram helps sort shape by color and size? That is C, Carroll diagram.
Okay.
How can we inform a data about our favorite fruits? By A, ask question and collect answers.
Okay.
What pictures belong in the middle? The picture belong in the middle is A, stars.
Okay.
This is Carroll diagram. How many red circles are there? Red circle here are 2. Let's say
Red circles. Okay. Next.
this is water. Cats make a data as shown above using. This is above. This picture using C, block graph.
Next.
From the picture in question number 7, cats want to find out A, children's favorite drinks.
Okay, number 9.
What is investigation? Investigation is B, finding out something. Investigation is important because it helps us to find the truth. B.
Okay, this one.
Yes, sir. From the Venn diagram, which objects are made of metal? Which object made of metal is key, fork, and what is this? Paper clip. Paper clip.
Next.
Which objects are made of both metal and plastic? You see here, both metal and plastic here. This sharpener, clothespin, and scissors. Because this is made by both plastic and metal.
Number 3.
Which objects are made of plastic? Made of plastic is cube and 2 bottles.
So do you mean so from Venn diagram, which objects are made of metal? Only these 3.
Only this 3 made of metal.
And for the plastics, only this.
Only these 3.
Okay, so
This is both plastic and metal.
okay, I think we have a wrong concept here about this kind of question. This because you just mentioned that from a Venn diagram, which objects are made of metal, it means all the things inside this circle. This is a metal circle. This is a metal circle, so it means these three things as well is a part of metal. And the question, which objects are made of plastics? All these plastic circle from this include this one, this three. So if the question is from Venn diagram, which objects are made of metal, the answer must be all these things, except the question is from Venn diagram, which objects are made of metal only. There is a difference between the concept of the question. So you need to consistent with your question here. If you only ask this, which objects are made of plastics, it means your answer key is wrong.
Are made of plastic. I put only this cube and two bottles.
That is wrong because this one is made of plastic as well. This one is a part of the circle. This is the way to read the Venn diagram. But for the question number 2 is already correct. Which object are made of both metal and plastic? It means this one scissor, the sharpener, and one more like this. It means this one, which object are made of both metal and plastic? It means this one is made of plastic as well, right?
Yeah,
These
both
three are made
metal
of.
and plastic.
That means this plastic, all of these strings.
So I think that here, so that there is no different, no changes in the answer key. We just put only metal only or plastic only.
Yeah,
Like
metal
here.
only or
And
plastic
plastic
only.
only.
It means you need to revise your question.
Just only, so I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Next.
How many curved lines? The curved lines here is, you see this is, which is not in this circle, so on 0, 6, there are 4. There are four curved lines. 1, 6, 8, and 3.
Next.
And then, how many are both curved and straight lines? That is, which is a both of this. So 2, 5, and there are three numbers of curved and straight lines.
Okay. Yeah, this one as well. This is you need to change this question. How many are curved lines only? Because you ask the answer for 0, 6, 8, 3 only, right? Except if you use without only, it means the answer must be all this number, these 7 numbers inside the blue one, 0, 6, 2, 5, 9, 3, and 8. Okay. So you change this one become by using the word only. This one is.
Okay.
So I think that is clear for the books. Now we just for the homework. Now we just move to the book. Let me open this one first. This is the review chapter for the math. The math is
Yeah,
project.
review chapter.
So what is the project about?
The project they implemented by Agustina. Seems like students make a block graph.
Students make a block graph.
Uh,
Okay. So how is the flow? Can you explain in detail about what is the block graph? What is the students need to do? How many students in one group and so on? Just explain in detail.
okay. By block graph here, this is how find, for example, that for P2A class, to make the data, firstly we collect the question then, and then give the question so that they will answer. For example, in P2A, how many, from 10 students, how many students like say, let's say juice, yeah? They like juice, that's from 10 students. How many students like this is for juice. This is for milk and honey. Milk and honey. Their favorite drink, I mean here. Students' favorite drink. From 10 students here, let's say they are uh, we make there here the one who like let's say they like it. We make picture here. Sorry. This is by using block graph. Let's say this is graph. Here, 6 students. This is number of students. Here, 6 students. Six students they like juice. And here in this diagram, there are 4 students. They like milk, and there are only, let's say, 2 students like honey.
So how do we collect the data?
By asking question, they give question who ask who like juice who most like juice. I love from
I mean
the
here-
students.
Because you don't explain it clearly actually. You make this one into the group, or how is it? The steps. I need the
The
steps.
step is we collect first the students. Let's say maybe make it there. They are in a group.
In?
In a group,
Okay.
the group of students.
How many students in one group?
Let's say that in one group there are 10 students in one group.
One group, 10 students.
10 students.
Okay.
And we ask first. We give the question. What is their favorite drinks? The one for one choice, for example, for juice, who likes juice the most? And then there are only 6 students like juice, and then we make diagram, 6 students. So we also give how many students ask like milk, and there are only 4 students. How many students like honey? They like only 2 students. So the total of that 6 plus So first is 6. So this is also 2. Sorry, this is the same 2. So who like milk? There are 2 students. Who like honey? There are also 2 students. So the total is 10 students for this group.
So do you mean here for the project letter, 10 students only draw one block graph?
One block graph. But for the special activity, I explained that for special activities.
Yeah.
But because I don't make that LP for special activity. I just explained about block graph here.
Yeah, I mean here, if there are 10 students in one group, one student will make the block graph. How about the 9 one? What they are doing?
The 9 one.
Yeah. I mean, there are 10 students in one group, 10 students in one group. One student will draw the block graph letter. How about the rest 9? What they are doing in the special activity?
Do you mean for the total 19?
No, just now you explained that in one group there are 10 students, right? One group, 10 students. One group, 10 students. Let's say in these 10 students, one student will draw the block graph. So how about the rest 9? The rest 9 students, what do they do in the group letter? What are they function in the group? They did it nothing?
All of the students, for sure, they are also active to draw this. To draw for the rest, the total of 10 students, they also prepare block grab, the same block grab, how they prepare block grab from that their favorite drinks. So they also draw and make a block grab.
Because just now you explained that this one group only needs one block graph.
One group, one group should be, let's say that the one group, but they are active all to make the activity. They draw that program.
Okay, Miss, please think in detail about this concept because we don't want to do the special activity
But
where.
this is the for special activity for maths.
Sorry?
This is, I mean that when actually we are still discussing about block graph, pictogram, fig diagram, something like that. But for the special activities, especially for this week, this is different with what I explained.
I don't get it.
Because special activity, this is from the book. Miss Agustina make it from the book, from the
So?
last page.
So,
Uh, maybe you can open that in the LP, that special activity.
the special activity in the book is just the special activity that you just explained is the special activity that you will apply in your class later, right?
That I explained that is, for example, because you asked to make how is to make block graph. That I explained.
No, I'm asking about the special activity, the project that you will do in your class.
But I don't learn. I don't specifically for that special activity what she will do this math.
Yeah, I mean that's your responsibility to know about it, right? Because you know this is the evaluation. I will ask about the things because you don't teach the one that you will teach in the next week is about math. It's about the project. It means I don't need to open the book because you will have the project.
But mostly like also like block graph. This is an example of block graph. Mostly is like this the activity. That's
Okay. Just try to learn it again. It's about the special activity of math. This one must be done in the good preparation. I mean, we don't want to have the special activity where one students do the project and the other students and just
Yeah,
just
that's
play around.
yeah. That's it.
Okay, you just go to the vocabulary list then.